beg, I carry one story come, and one guy need to advice. One guy need to advice on this story. Why carry come? Again, one guy went enter Germany newly. Germany na for Europe. Chenge. One guy from Enugu guy enter Germany newly, and just within 2 months, we enter Germany. He see one beautiful girl where one marry. You know how they do them now? We enter all these places, and maybe you know get proper documents where you fit use get opportunities. So your eye go there on woman. Now this girl when you see na black girl, na still Nigerian girl. You understand? We say the parents they for Germany, they get documents. They are citizens for Germany. Now this girl now, na very good advantage for this guy to get documents. Now this guy now just enter Germany under 2 months. Now you see the girl, they fall in love and they want marry. You don't see the girl now as the only hope to survive in Germany and to make her. Now, see what did happen now. Now the guy come visit the girl parents, visit their home. For the first time we visit them for proper introduction. The girl will need to introduce the guy to them, say don't see super now. Now he go enter there. Now the only problem will happen now is say, as the guy go enter the place, as he come to their house, he come discover say the girl mama they shout on the girl papa to hurry up. You know why they shout on him to hurry up? The papa they wash plate for kitchen. He they wash dishes. He they wash plate for kitchen. Why mama relax for parlor? They receive this guy wake up for introduction. Now this thing shock this guy. So after this guy left the place, he never get rest of mind. You know now, they sure now say he go marry the girl. You know they convince again now because he they fear. Say this no be our culture back home. Say papa, a man of the house. You can imagine Odoguna, chief, will they wash plate for the wife for house. While the wife relax for parlor, they enjoy herself. They even they receive visitors. Even to the point of shouting on him to hurry up in the presence of visitor. When the visitor will be able to hear her. The guy they see the future now, the next future of him and the new wife they were married. So now he they stranded now, he they concerned. Should he go ahead with this marriage? Or should he just cancel it, call it quit? Do you think that in the foreseeable future, in the near future, this guy will get wahala with the wife? Based on, you understand our culture now. Wait till you get to advise this guy. We need your comment. The guy, we go take comment section to see your comment. I beg, share this video to go viral. We need as many advice as possible. Especially people when they Europe, especially from Germany, Europe. I beg you, share this video.